How to configure and activate the ADS Echo with Qstart XML. This video will cover the following steps for configuration and activation of the Echo to deliver data and alarms to Prism. Creating and configuring an Echo, activating the Echo, and verifying wireless communication. Before going out to the field, be sure you have an ADS Blue magnet and the ADS Bluetooth dongle, have downloaded the ADS Bluetooth driver from the ADS website and installed it onto the field computer, have activated the SIM card in the Echo monitor. For instructions, refer to the ADS Echo Qstart XML Quick Reference Guide found on the ADS website. Connect the ADS Bluetooth dongle to a USB port and launch Qstart XML. Access Qstart XML Settings by clicking on the Settings button in the lower left corner. The Settings dialog screen will automatically display the first time you run the Qstart XML software. Make sure the version is 1.1.08 or higher. Browse to the Qstart XML data path to create a folder. This defines the directory to which the location XML and collected flow data are saved. Notice that the Bluetooth port has been populated by connecting the Bluetooth dongle. Click the OK button to save the settings from this dialog. You are ready to configure an Echo location. Select New. Qstart XML's default location information will display. Enter the name of the Echo installation under Location Name. I'll type in Echo Demo. And the name can be up to 19 characters in length, but do not put a space in the location name. Select Echo for the series type and enter the serial number. Leave the default values for the sample rate on 5 minutes and the fast rate as 5 minutes unless you desire faster sampling rates. Enter a manhole depth. This can be adjusted when you go to the field for the actual measurement. Select Wireless for the connect type and enter the IP address. Our initial communication with the Echo will be by Bluetooth, so after you enter the IP address, change the connect type to Bluetooth. Under the monitoring point, select the type or shape of the pipe that the Echo will be monitoring. And the height and width can be approximations since the installation of the Echo requires no manhole dissension. Now configure the Echo devices. Select Long Range Depth and View to open up the Long Range Depth device screen. Note that the location name and the device name are displayed at the top of the dialog box. Enter the physical offset, which is the distance between the manhole rim and the face of the sensor. Again, this can be updated when you go out to the field. Click OK. Next, select the time zone device and View, and this opens up the time zone device screen. Select the appropriate time zone and disable the daylight saving rule if applicable. Click OK. Click on Save to save the current parameters. Next, select Alarms and View to open up the Alarms device screen. Configure the alarms of interest. The Echo will trigger an alarm when a threshold is crossed. As an example for this meter, I will enable a full pipe alarm and check Enable and enter a threshold for a high depth alarm. I will also click on Overflow. The Echo will trigger an overflow event when the flow depth exceeds the manhole depth value when the location is experiencing overflow conditions. For tilt, check Enable and leave the threshold at the default of 5 degrees. The Echo will trigger a tilt alarm when the Echo is not level When there's a change in orientation over this threshold, an alarm will be sent. Note that while the echo is in a tilt alarm state, the only alarms that will be initiated are low battery, overflow, or tilt return to normal. This eliminates false depth alarms. I will also enable a low battery alarm. Now, when the desired alarms are configured, click OK. For more detailed information on alarms, refer to the ADS Echo Qstart XML Quick Reference Guide. The next device is data delivery. Select Data Delivery and View to open up the Data Delivery Device screen. Enter the server IP address for Prism. This is where the Echo will deliver data and cry out its alarm triggers. You can choose normal and fast. Normal is the rate at which the Echo will deliver data to Prism during normal flow conditions. I'll just set that to every 12 hours. Fast is the delivery rate during alarm conditions. I'll leave that at 15 minutes. Select OK. And then let's save those parameters. Now you can create a template for this installation setup by clicking Set as Default. The next time you click on New, the template parameters will populate the screen. Next, activate the Echo using Bluetooth. Hold the blue ADS magnet on the wake activation point until the comms LED flashes deep blue. This should take 5 to 10 seconds. Click the Activate button. The Connect button will change to a green hang-up when the Echo responds to the communication request. The activation is now in progress. Activate Successful will display in the lower left corner of the screen when the activation is complete. The Echo is activated. Now select the Advanced device and View. On the Diagnostic tab, select Set. This sets the baseline for tilt parameters for the installed Echo. Click OK. Test fire the long-range depth sensor by highlighting the long-range depth device and View. Select Read. Observe the results to ensure proper sensor performance. Click OK to exit the test firing. Next, access the power-saving parameters if desired. Click on the Advanced button under the Functions settings. Select Update under Modem Power Configuration, and it will show the current power-saving parameters. The Echo is delivered with the power to the modem set to always off. With this setting, the monitor automatically powers up the wireless modem each day between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. to receive incoming calls. Now note that the Echo will still deliver data and alarm notifications regardless of the power savings configuration. Refer to the Echo Qstart XML Quick Reference Guide to make any changes. Changing from the factory setting of always off will impact your battery consumption. Click the OK button to save any changes to the modem power configuration. Click on the Close button to exit the Advanced Functions dialog. Now hang up. The last step. Verify the Echo has an antenna attached. Change the connection type to wireless. Hold the blue magnet on the wake activation point for about 25 to 30 seconds or until the Sense LED turns dark magenta. Hold the magnet for another 1 to 2 seconds and then quickly remove the magnet. The comms LED will change to a slow flashing green when the modem connects to the network. Click on the Status button in Qstart XML. We are attempting to connect wirelessly, and you'll see the status in this lower left corner. Once connected and the monitor status has been retrieved, the status screen will display. Here's the monitor status screen. Wireless communication has been verified. We can close this and hang up. We will click Save. The configuration and activation of the Echo is complete. If you require more detailed information on how to configure and activate the ADS Echo, download the ADS Echo Qstart XML Quick Reference Guide from the ADS website.